Titus Incredible Life. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be making some... Wait, hold on. Some slime bubbles. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm back and the bubble did pop after when I stopped the video like 2 seconds later. So yeah, so here is the bubble. Bubbles. Whoa. And you can go on my friend's YouTube channel, Samantha Bittencourt, and please subscribe to her channel and please find a video about her and me doing slime bubbles. And this is the exact same outfit I wore at her place. So yeah. And after when I was pausing the video, I accidentally got slime right here. So yeah, but don't worry, it'll come off. Thank goodness. So yeah. So do more bubbles. So bubbles. Kind of like a squishy. I like getting this stuff now. So, yeah. Wait a sec, I'll break some. Okay guys, so I'm back and I just brought a chair. So yeah, and now time to do another bubble. This is such a big bubble and it's really stretchy and good. In fact, when I was doing the slime bubble, it was an orange color. This is like a pink color with some glitter and some foamy. So yeah. So here's our bubble. And this is what I did when I was first like this. Kind of like that. Okay, I don't know what I was doing. This is really fun, bubbles. It's not like the biggest bubble in the world. I already did that. I'm just like making slime bubbles. Making slime bubbles. So, bubbles. I love doing this now. I was thinking of this today. So soft. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy my video today on the Titus Incredible Life. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye, stay incredible.